Hello friends, welcome to Miles Ahead. In today's video, we are going to see the most demanding feature of any car, and that is the sunroof. Sandesh is going to explain us more about the sunroof, but before moving ahead, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to be the first to see our latest videos. And if you like our today's video, do hit the thumbs up and put your comments below.
Hi guys, sunroof is the most luxurious feature for any car, and that too if you have a panoramic sunroof, तब तो बात ही अलग है. So today we are going to see how to operate this panoramic sunroof of Tata Harrier, what are the dimensions for this sunroof, and what are the special features which really make her stand out. There are 3 dedicated buttons for this sunroof. Every button has its own purpose, and there are 2 functions, open and close. So these all buttons are single touch. So first button is for sun curtains. You can just open and close by using this button. So let's start it. See, on single touch it is going all the way back. How it is looking, nice. Now you can see the good amount of sunlight is inside your cabin and you won't feel claustrophobic. And by single touch you can just close it. How simple is that? See, I hope you like it. Now move on to the next button, that is for sunroof. You can simply pop up your sunroof by using this button. So let's try it. On single touch you can see the sun curtain is moving all the way back, and the most importantly you can see the sunroof has pop-up. On single touch you can just simply close it, but sun curtain will stay back. It is not going to close all the way. So for closing the sun curtains you will have to press again the dedicated button for the sun curtain. So last button is for the sunroof. You can just open and close your sunroof by using this button. See, on single touch the sunroof is also moving back, as well as the sun curtain is moving back. Sunroof will open till here only, so you can just get the wide area from the sunroof. See, it is looking nice, right? On the single touch you can just close your sunroof. In the same case, sun curtain will stay back. So if you want to close your sun curtains, you have to press this dedicated button for the sun curtains. It is closing now. If you want to open this sun curtain to a certain point, you just have to simply press and hold this button till you want. That's simple. Same is the case for the sunroof. You can simply press and hold this button until you want. That looking nice. That's it. Now I will tell you about the dimensions of the sunroof. So length is 1240 mm and width is 870 mm, which is widest in the segment. Let's move on to the special feature of the sunroof that will be explained by the special person. So let's go.
Now let's see the special features of this Harrier. Why does it stand out from other competitors? The very first feature is the rain sensing feature. Let's suppose that your sunroof is open and it suddenly starts raining, or the water starts falling from somewhere on your car. Then the sunroof will automatically close itself. How this happens? The rain sensors are present on your windscreen, and if the rain falls on your windscreen, the rain sensors are activated and the sunroof closes automatically. This is the mechanism behind it. But there are 2 things you need to keep in mind. The water should fall on your windscreen because the rain sensors are present only on the windscreen and not on the sunroof. And the second point is your wipers should be on the auto wiper mode. Only then the rain sensors would get activated. That was the first feature. Now let's see the demo for it. As you can see, when the water drops on the windscreen, the sunroof is automatically closing, as well as the sun curtains are also closing on its own. The second feature is anti-pinch. What is it about? Let's suppose my sunroof is open and somebody is standing here. Accidentally I go and close this button. Then what? Look what the sunroof did. So it automatically identifies the obstacles in between and it stops and goes behind. The last feature is the lock feature. Now my sunroof is open and let's suppose I get out of my car and I forget to close the sunroof. Let's see what happens. Now I am out of my car. The sunroof is open as you can see there. But I don't have to worry. I can just press the lock button on my key and it will automatically close the sunroof. As you can see, the sunroof has closed and it will also close the sun curtains. So these are the special features of the sunroof which make Tata Harrier really stand out from its other competitors.
If you are planning to buy a car with the sunroof, so I will recommend you to go for the factory fitted sunroof only instead of the aftermarket sunroof, because there are many drawbacks in the aftermarket sunroof, such as leakage, or there are no crash tests you can do in the aftermarket sunroof, which has already done in the factory fitted sunroof. So that's my recommendation. It's up to you.
I hope you liked the features about the sunroof which we explained today. If you liked our today's video, do hit the thumbs up and stay tuned for more exciting videos. Both of us signing off from Miles Ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.